What's up, everyone? And once again, thanks for tuning in. This is Steve, aka the Tech 660. Right behind me is one of my projects that I showed you guys I think a couple months ago and a week ago, and it's on a 2012 Prius. So let me take you up here, and no motor. Got the transmission, and this was in regards to blown head gasket. So here's the lower end right here, the block itself. Took that down. I got to take the clutch out tomorrow, and here's the finished product. Finished product. So basically, I got the brand new block head. Been from came back from the machine shop, and supposedly put everything together today. Got the silicone curing for the night, and tomorrow morning all it is just bolt on, the intake, exhaust, water pump, and wiring harness, etc. So anyways, hopefully I get this done by the end of the year. I only got a couple days, and supposedly I want to start off fresh for 2019. But anyways, guys, brand new rebuilt motor. Yeah, that's it, guys. And it's a 2ZR motor off of a 2012 Prius. Anyways, guys, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.